All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
The person shown in this picture is Zhou Hengpeng. Zhou was one of China's prominent economists. For the past 10 years, he had served as the deputy director of the Institute of Economics at the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences, a government think tank in China. I'm using the word was for Zhou because he has been missing for several days now. Disappeared. Who took economist Zhou Hengpeng? Neither the Chinese police nor any intelligence agency is searching for Zhou. Even his own institute, where he had worked for the past 10 years, has distanced itself from him. A new deputy director has already been appointed, and even the entire team has been replaced. The central question remains, where did Zhou Hengpeng go? The answer lies with only one person, China's president, the most powerful leader, Xi Jinping. In reality, Zhou hasn't disappeared on his own. He was made to disappear. According to a report from the Wall Street Journal, this top Chinese economist was taken away due to something he said in a private chat. Now, let me tell you what actually happened. You must be familiar with WeChat. It's a messaging app similar to WhatsApp, developed in China by a Chinese company. Here's what happened. Zhou Hengpeng made a comment about Xi Jinping in a private group on WeChat. It said that this economist was unhappy with Xi Jinping's policies due to the country's poor economic situation. He wrote about this in his private chat. Although it was a private group, the information somehow reached government officials and eventually Xi Jinping himself. And then, what has happened before in China happened again. Zhou Hengpeng was taken away. According to the Wall Street Journal, Zhou was not only arrested but also removed from his position. He is being held at an undisclosed location where he is being interrogated under extreme pressure. Zhou was indeed a prominent economist. As the deputy director of the Institute of Economics, he had a deep understanding of the country's economy. Being part of a government think tank, it's likely that his team provided reports and suggestions to the government regarding the state of the economy. Perhaps it was something related to these recommendations that Zhou discussed in his private group, which Xi Jinping found unacceptable. This could have been the reason why his comments in the chat became an issue, leading to his disappearance. Take a look at this headline from Business Insider. Yet another one of China's elite has disappeared after criticizing Xi Jinping. This clearly shows that prominent figures in China have been disappearing in a similar fashion for years. One of the biggest names associated with this is General Li Shangfu. Li was an aerospace engineer and military administrator, and he was very close to President Xi Jinping. He was a regular face at major international events. Then suddenly, in August last year, Li vanished. While China didn't provide any explanation, the American media began raising questions. After 2 to 3 weeks with no trace of Defense Minister Li Shangfu, the global media started to create an uproar. Rightly so. When the defense minister of a country like China goes missing for several weeks and doesn't appear at public or government events, it naturally sparks outrage. International forums started questioning the Chinese government directly, and the US also pointed fingers at China. As the pressure mounted, China initially stated that it was investigating the matter. Meanwhile, the US speculated that Li had been taken into custody as part of an investigation. 2 months passed without any information on General Li Shangfu's whereabouts, and China refused to disclose what had happened to him. Suddenly, China announced that Li had been removed from his position as defense minister. However, they did not explain where he had been for 2 months or why he was being dismissed. Then, in June of this year, news broke that the Communist Party of China had expelled former Defense Minister Li Shangfu for violating party laws and discipline. The report also revealed that Li was under investigation for multiple charges, including bribery, with the probe starting in August 2023. Last year in June, news broke that China's foreign minister had gone missing. Missing, meaning he wasn't seen at any programs, meetings, or public events. The disappearance of Qin Gang caused a huge stir. Just like with others before him, China kept Qin's disappearance a secret. In February of this year, Qin reappeared publicly and resigned from the legislature. In 2018, China similarly made its former Vice Minister of Public Security and then Interpol chief Meng Hongwei disappear. Meng remained missing for about 20 days before bribery charges were brought against him, and he was eventually presented in court. Even the prominent business tycoon Jack Ma wasn't spared. The founder of e-commerce giant Alibaba was made to disappear after publicly criticizing China's business policies. It was later revealed that Jack Ma had fled to other countries, fearful of Xi Jinping's wrath. Though he eventually surrendered, Xi didn't let him off lightly. Ma's business suffered a blow so severe that he likely won't dare criticize Xi Jinping again. 11's list of disappearances includes many names. Chinese tennis player Peng Shuai went missing for an extended period after accusing a top Communist Party leader of sexual assault. Following her disappearance, months went by without any trace of Peng. In February 2022, she resurfaced and retracted her allegations. Just imagine the kind of pressure and torture Peng and her family must have faced during that time, likely forcing her to change her statement. It's a recurring pattern under Xi Jinping's leadership. Any form of dissent or criticism seems to lead to a chilling silence or disappearance.